So the big question is this: how do investors like us who trade options and manage our own money generate income regardless of where the stock market goes, and do it all in a way that lets us make time for the people and things we love, and yet still build wealth and remain profitable? That's the question, and this podcast will give you the answer. I'm your host, Kirk Duplessis, and you're listening to The Daily Call from Option Alpha. Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again at OptionAlpha.com, and welcome back to The Daily Call. One of the things I'm very excited about with this new auto trading platform that we're rolling out soon, and that is that we have basically been able to remove human error from the options market. And now I won't go as far as to say that there's totally error removed, because there's error in building out a bot or strategy, right? If you build out the wrong bot or the wrong strategy, then that error is on the front end. But what I'm talking about is errors on the back end in the execution of a strategy and breaking of rules that so commonly happen when we're trading as humans, as people, when we're manually clicking and entering trades. So what has happened for basically all of history in the options trading space, the entire time that options trading has been around for retail investors, is that we've had to manually pick and choose our entry points, manually pick and choose our exits in most cases, and then manage our portfolio. And what we've done now with the ability to do this all through a bot is you can now build out a strategy that has no human error involved in it, meaning that if the bot is, designated and designed to execute a closing trade at a specific price, it's going to execute that closing trade when it gets to that price. If it's designed to manage the allocations and not get over a certain number of trades in a particular ticker, it's not going to do it, no matter how great the opportunity looks. And when human error starts to become involved in most trading, you start to see people start to bend their own rules. They start to look at a chart and say, this is a different scenario, right? Like, I've already had 5 trades in here. I'm over my 5% allocation. But this is a different situation. So this is why I need to go to 10%, or this is what I read online and why I need to go to 10% allocation. And that bending of the rules creates a break in the portfolio eventually. And eventually it's going to break. Eventually it's going to break down. It's going to start to, collapse down. And so what we're trying to do is we're trying to basically remove the human element of trading in the sense of making decisions and manually clicking, and introduce a more systematic and more mechanical approach to options trading with this auto trading software. I think it's really cool. And I just wanted to share that tidbit today, because I think that in and of itself is why this thing is so valuable, and why many people at least should start trying it out when it rolls out. I mean, we'll have, bots that you guys can try and trade and all that stuff when it rolls out. So you guys will be able to test this out and see if it works for you. But the concept of it and using this to improve efficiency and streamline a lot of trading, mechanics that we have to do manually now as retail traders is something that's really, really cool and something I'm very excited about. So anyways, if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. And until next time, happy trading. Thanks for joining us on The Daily Call. Be sure to subscribe right now for more daily options trading ideas, strategies, and tactics to help you learn how to place smarter, more profitable trades. And if you like what we're doing, don't forget to give us a rating and a review so we can continue to bring you the best daily content possible. We'll see you again tomorrow, right here on The Daily Call from OptionAlpha.com.